starting the vlog a little late again today. It is noon. We are trying to get out of here to go to the cottage, but we were slacking. Everyone left at around, what, like 11:30 last night, and I went right to sleep and did not wake up till 9:30. Then we kind of like lounged around, took our sweet old time, took Walter for a walk, and now we packed up and we're getting ready to go. But I'm so hungry. I want to get something to eat, but also I just want to get there. So we're going to head out in a few minutes. Emily and Aaron are going to be meeting us, I think, here, and then hopefully we're going to make some stops along the way. There's no rush. It's just the second last long weekend of the summer, so we like to spend it at the cottage all together. And this time Walter's coming with us. Do you want to go to the cottage? Do you want to go to the cottage? Walter is the absolute best travel dog. He literally gets in the car, lies down, goes to sleep, and does not wake up until we get there, right, buddy? Yeah. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Oh, he wants this. You want this. 40 minutes later and we are off. Except we're not really off. We're going to the bulk barn to meet Emily and Aaron. Pick up maybe a few snackies and let's go. Comfy Wally. He's got his bed back there. Andrew's in Bulk Barn now. I picked up a bunch of stuff. If you don't know what Bulk Barn is, it's basically this store with all bulk foods, but it has every candy, every chocolate, every chip, and you can just buy it by the pound or by the bulk or whatever you want. So I got a bunch of stuff for the trip, but I also found this. So we have VEDA here, but it's so hard to find just one, and the cream soda, and I've been dying to try it. So let's see how it tastes. Okay, so let's see. I kind of already like started opening it. Oh, I don't like the smell. Oh, okay, it has a weird aftertaste, but the initial taste is good. You want to try the VEDA? You like it? Okay, so I like the taste, but the aftertaste.
I don't really like cream soda in general.
Oh, it's not bad. It has a weird smell. It's not that bad. For zero everything, it's not bad. Okay, so Emily and I ordered the Beyond the Meat burger.
It smells really good.
It smells good. Okay, I'm gonna film her reaction.
It looks pretty good.
It does look really good.
Let's see. I hope there's lettuce, tomato. Okay. Not a lot of mustard.
I don't see any.
I'm gonna go get mustard.
What are you judging this on?
Taste and texture.
Taste and texture?
I mean, taste isn't gonna be that big of a deal, but what the texture will be like.
Yeah?
I think I taste more of everything else, but
you can't, like, if somebody told you,
texture-wise, it tastes like a hamburger.
and like if you didn't know that that was a veggie patty or whatever,
I probably wouldn't be able to figure it out.
This is incredible. There's no way you'd know. It's delicious. Wow. I would pick this over a regular meat burger.
I know. We should give this to Dad to try, but not tell him.
Yeah. So,
okay, the test is to try it without anything because I hate the taste of ground beef in hamburgers. It tastes like a hamburger, which makes me think, what if it is a real patty? It's a little chewier than a regular one. but it tastes pretty good.
That's good. How is it?
It's really good.
Could you, if I didn't tell you, would you have known?
No.
I wish we saved some for Aaron.
How'd you guys beat us?
Just, you know, driving super fast.
Yeah, but you must have got in front of us before Willow Road.
I left right away. Like,
Do you need any more
you left
candy?
before us.
no, I'm feel sick. We are setting up Aaron and Amy Lee's accommodations.
We're going camping.
This isn't a very private tent. Oh gosh, Andrew. Andrew does not know how to put up a tent. I'm joking. I'm joking. I was right about one thing, and he was wrong. We are heading to Kingston to do some work
Give me my sour cream.
and some, I don't know, errands.
errands.
We're having a computer party back here.
Oh, I think your candy's here. Here, do you want some of mine?
No, I want my mix.
You know what that logo is? Oh my god. So, we had to go into town because Andrew needed to do some work and needed Wi-Fi. So we dropped him off at Starbucks and we're just at the mall for like the last hour that it's open. And then we're gonna go to Walmart and I don't know what we're picking up at Walmart. Amy Lee, what are we picking up at Walmart? What are we getting at Walmart? Oh, a TV.
Paper towels.
Oh, paper towels.
Stuff for breakfast.
Stuff for breakfast.
Let's
Random
go.
stuff. Ready to go? Let's go. I can't believe this is really happening for the tent. So much candy. Okay. Oh, it's Agatha Raisin. My favorite show.